Alright, so let me tell you how this works, okay? You see this light up here? It's really bright, isn't it? So what if there was a way, okay, to make that light stylish and inevasive so it doesn't get to the evasive situation part of our world? So when we put in the new bulbs, this is what it looks like. It's not as bright, you can see, okay? It's like a silver mirror looking one, okay? Well, literally we got a couple reviews.
Hi, I'm Sheila.
If there's no glare, seems easy
Yeah.
to
Oh
make.
my God, this is so styling.
Your voice is so annoying.
Now I can actually see my shoes. Oh.
I see the light now.
To make an innovative ceiling fan light bulb, the process is very easy. There is nothing on the market, surprisingly, but it's very simple. You take a clear light bulb, you develop a relationship with a light bulb company, you take clear light bulbs and dip it in silver paint, or spray it on. Very, very simple, very fashionable, non-evasive light bulbs for ceiling fan light fixtures.
Wet.
and now
We're wet.
Thanks.
Okay, man, my name is Wilbur, okay? I didn't want to tell you, but my name is Wilbur. I was just trying to wear the hat, you know, trying to be in style, okay?
Wilbur? Your name is Wilbur? What?